Hello there, I just wanted to quickly show you in this video how you can create a page that has a button. If somebody clicks at this button, there will be a pop-up that shows up. On the pop-up there is a registration form, or basically an email collection form. If somebody pulls their details in or puts their details in, they click a button, they're subscribed to your list, and then you can send them on to another destination that you want them to go to. Okay, so let's start designing this page. So we'll just use a simple block from here. We'll just use a call to action block, something like this one. And we will need to connect a button to a pop-up, and then on the pop-up there will be a sign-up form. If somebody clicks and submits the form, then they are sent to another page. So we have now our landing page. We'll just go and create the pop-up quickly. Sign up. Okay, and I want to use something like this one. Perfect. I'll go save. Very good. Go back into design. I will place my lovely lemon in here. Okay, select and then update. Let's just work with the sizing a bit. I just want this on auto, and I want this to be like that, and just move it in the middle. So okay, we can close this up, and then we can start creating our text. So here we want it to say sign up to see a naked lemon. Let's just put the font to be railway, line height tight. Yep, that's better, and then we'll just increase a little bit more. There we go. Just copy over the description. There we go. Also change the font a bit, and then we'll put in the disclaimer. All right. So you want the button to say sign up, and the button action to be submit. So now we have only one form field here. This is email. I will just duplicate this email, and I will type in here name, the input ID, input name will be also name, and the placeholder text is the text that you see in the form field. So we'll just type in name as well. I want to validate that if somebody types in something, that it is text, and then in case they don't type in anything, it cannot be submitted. So input cannot be empty. Okay, let's do the email form. So we'll just click type in email. This is fine. The input type is email that we want, and then input cannot be empty. Perfect. So for the sign up button, I want to configure it. We already did that. Now the next step is to click out of everything, so that we choose the form container. This is a container that holds the two form fields and then one button. So now we chose the form container, and then we'll go here to configure it in the right upper hand corner. We need to choose integration. I already integrated my MailChimp account. You can use any of your Aweber or ActiveCampaign or any other accounts that you have. I have one list that is called affiliate marketing. This is just for this tutorial. And then here, the thank you redirect link, you can choose what you want the people to do next after signing up and pressing the sign up button. Where do you want to send them? So in my tutorial here, I want to send them to a URL that will be an image. I have my lovely naked lemon over here. This is it. Update, save and exit. Save. Okay, let's publish it. Naked lemon. Okay. And then the last thing we need to do is connect the button to the pop-up that we just created. So if we click on the button, we click configure, and then link to pop-up, and then we choose the sign up pop-up that we just created. Okay, I clicked update. We'll click again so that this sidebar moves away. Save, and then publish. Okay, I'll just click it one more time just to make sure, and then let's test it out. So we have the page, we click the button, we have the pop-up, we type in our details, we click a sign up, it's subscribing, and it sent us to this page that we put in as a URL. I just want to mention, sometimes it doesn't work out exactly as we wanted. So there are URL shorteners. URL shortener that you can use. It's like bit.ly, short URL, rebrandly. I use Cutly for my purposes. You can sometimes use this one if it gives you a 404 page. So in case you put in a link here on your pop-up, so that here in this URL, sometimes when you put in a link, the system doesn't recognize it yet, and it just gives you a 404 page, basically an error page. Something happened, that something didn't go through as it should have. So in this case, I suggest you to go take a URL shortener and then shorten the URL and then put it here in the URL section. So they are redirected to the URL, the shortened URL of where you want to send them. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye bye.